Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I got a package from the All Natural Face and I am super excited to try out these products. So let's get right into it. Wait, I don't know if I remember everything that I got, so I'm not going to look at the invoice because I like to be surprised. I got their eyeshadow primer in black. This is probably the first time I have seen a black eyeshadow primer from an all-natural company, so we're gonna try it right now. Ooh. Wow. So this is very creamy. I don't think I should have used my finger because it's really smoky, but it is definitely buildable. I mean, woo! Okay, so that is looking like, I don't know, it looks a little muddled. So I'm gonna go in with some dry. Okay, now we're really building up color. Okay. I feel like this adds a sort of neutral depth because it's cut the warmth, like the golden tones of this yellow a bit, and made it like a little bit more of a cooler yellow. And I think it's a little bit darker. In real life, this is coming off quite nicely, actually. It's like you get a completely different colored product just by using this underneath it. Into the grab bag. And this, my friends, is one of their unicorn spit highlighters. And I've been wanting to try these for a while. So it just looks white in the packaging, but we will see. I got the color in Ultraviolet Goddess, which has the purple pink sheen to it. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so you can kind of see this sheen here. That's with the second stroke. I really like how it feels really moisturizing, which makes sense because the first ingredients are jojoba and argan oils, which is very good for your skin. I want to see if I can kind of build this up a bit though. Okay, that is really bright, but I turned on my flash just for you guys. I'm also sorry my eyes are demon colored in the light. So maybe you can see that a little bit better. I love the consistency. I love how moisturizing it is. I think that it gives a very wearable glisten to the cheeks. Next product. Aha. I can finally do my eyebrows. So I really like that they have these eyebrow kits and they come with a wax as well as 2 different colors, which I thought was really nice. So there's a lighter color and a darker color in your kit. You can see that way maybe. We have light brown and dark brown, and then the brow wax. There's only 2 ingredients, and the second one is just the wax, and the first one is castor oil, so that should help with brow growth as well. Oh, that feels, wow, pretty thick actually. That feels like it would hold in place quite nicely. That feels like it's going through the hairs and coating them quite nicely. I've been able to brush them up into place nicely, so very simple, like good for you wax. All right, now I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows like people like to do them these days. I've never really done that before. We'll give this a shot, and if it comes out horribly, I am sorry. Oh. Okay, that might be a little too dark for me. Maybe I should have gone with the blonde set. Wow, okay. That's a brow. I am impressed with how well the product is staying in place. It might be a little too dark for me. I mean, it kind of matches my roots, but I still feel like it might be a little too intense for me, but I don't know. Brows are in right now. Let's try a more, let's try a different technique on the other eye, more of a natural technique. All right, I'm at a loss because I'm used to doing my eyebrows one way. So how about you guys help me out? We're gonna call this Instagram and Facebook. And go follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna put up a poll and you guys can decide how I'm gonna do my eyebrows from now on, and tell me if I should do Instagram or Facebook. I mean, I suppose we could call them Frida and Kahlo, but for those of you who wouldn't get that reference, these are the choices, and we're gonna call them Instagram and Facebook. And then I might have to do it over again if I get the blonde set. I'm really impressed with the color, the pigment, how smoothly it went on, and how much the wax seems to hold the hairs in place. So I can really brush them into place. And yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I think that's gonna be my product for my brows from now on. Into the breach once more. Ha! Oh geez, okay. We're gonna add to this look here. So in my last video about the all natural face, I did a collection video, and I had a purple lipstick from them that I was not at all impressed with. So I wanted to try them again with a color. Well, they mentioned a couple times in the description that this was incredibly pigmented. So I'm gonna guess that it's their most pigmented lipstick. And I thought that I would just give them a second chance. And that color is called Raven. And it is black. So we're gonna just complete this look here. I have to admit, all of their products smell amazing, though I think they put vanilla in them. So now that I've got my line, oh, the first coat is a little gray. It is buildable though. Whew. Hello. So this is my look for today. I love it. I think it's great. It's not super creamy. I mean, it's creamy, but it's also got a little bit more of a waxier, tackier feel. But as far as just the color and the application, I like that a lot. And they've renewed my faith in their lipsticks. So well done, the all natural face, and I look forward to trying more. Okay, so I think we've got one product left. Oh, except they gave me a free sample. Oh, and it's got a little organic candy in it too. So they gave me a sample of their peppermint lip gloss. Sure, let's try this. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my gosh, that's making me so hungry. This might be a mistake. I feel like it's making the lipstick kind of liquefy and sink into my lines. Oh well. Ooh! It's tingly. I love peppermint, and I love that. I think I would totally get that lip gloss, actually. It looks great. I feel great. And into the bag for the last product, I think will be perfect. because yes, their Jasmine Facial Cleansing Cream. I'm gonna try to take off my lipstick first though, because I feel like that gloss made it a lot easier to remove, the lipstick actually. So that's cool. I usually use coconut oil to remove my makeup, so we'll see how a cream compares. I feel like the coconut oil would have already gotten this stuff off, so although I'm impressed with how the black eye primer is staying in place, and we're getting it a little bit. Okay, so when you add the water, it does seem to really do a good job of cleansing. Looks like we've removed almost all of the makeup. It feels very gentle, which is nice. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Okay, so I feel like this did a pretty decent job. There is a little bit in the inner corners and under the eyes, and it does make it really easy to remove with my face towel, so that's really nice. And my skin feels very hydrated and very soft. When I use skincare products, I like to use it until the container is completely empty. That way I feel you get the best idea of what the product has to offer, because it can go through its whole cycle of your skin is adjusting to a new product, and then you get to reap all the benefits from it, or you get to figure out that it's not right for your skin. So I will do a review on that product alone later on. So if you want to see that, remember to please subscribe to this channel. I'm very happy with everything I got. I think I am the most happy with the eyebrows. I'm very impressed with that. And I love the idea of the wax to really just hold in the powder. And it was very precise and seemed to have a really good hold. So I think I'm most impressed with the eyebrow kit. Love that. And I will definitely be getting some peppermint lip gloss next time I order from them, because that was an amazing experience. All of the products will be linked down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Go check out my other videos here or here. And go follow me on Instagram so you can see more updates and behind the scenes stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions about the company, the All Natural Phase, or any of the products that I've used here today. Or you can DM me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you there. I'm gonna go ahead and put these, I didn't want, I know that this is not like a whole look. This is not the, okay. Some people might like this look. I don't know. No judgment.